Hello? Yes, please, I need a RACD. My car is dying pretty high hill. Police or ambulance? No. No, I don't love police. RACD. What do you mean I'm a membership? Yes, I'm a citizenship. Yeah. My name? I am not the one sick, it's my car. My car is sick. I just drive in pretty high hill, then my car is stopped. It's died. I don't know. Yesterday is not sick, and then I don't know if it is a heart or is a leg. I don't know. Please come in because the car is hot. My kiss is hot in the car. You don't understand my language. I am speaking at English. Please give me somebody in your shop. You don't know English. Huh? Car plate number. No, I don't know the day is my car is born. I don't know. I just see it. I bought it in the shop. I don't know which day is born. Did the car born? No. Plate number. No, I don't know. Please, your English is too hard. I need anyone in office. I drive my car, and then my car is stopped. I don't know what's wrong. Yes, I put the gas. No. Please, RACD. The car is hot now, and my kids in the car, and my friend in the car. We are hot. Yes. Address. My name, I'm